Today I'm going to show you how to make Ryan's button function. So if I have my stage down here and I have my actor right here, I'm going to code the actor because I want to make sure that Ryan's button is what moves our pages. So I'm going to make sure I'm on the actor by making the settings button on the actor. And I'm going to say on start. I'm going to go to looks because I want the background on start to be Ryan's title page. Okay. Then I'm going to go back to events and I'm going to put when actor clicked. When the actor is clicked, so when that button is clicked, we want to go to the next page, right? So when actor clicked, my looks are going to change and I'm going to go to the next background. So now I've made 4 codes. One of them says on start, switch to background title. When I click the actor, go to the next background. And because Ryan has all of his backgrounds here in order, it will go to the next background every time I click it. If I test it, I'm going to go full screen. I'm going to press play. It takes me to Ryan's main page. When I press the button, it takes me to all of his next pages. Okay, so it goes through fact 1, fact 2, opinion 1, opinion 2. That last page will be his selfie page, and then this is back to his main page. And I could click that button all day long, and it now controls his show. So if he were to present for the class and he was ready to talk about the next slide, he would click the button that he has coded to work. Now,